Hello, my name is Ashley Goodnight, and this is my Public Review Lecture 2 for Physics 2212. The lecture I watched is titled Forecasting Turbulence. It was given on November 26, 2018 by Dr. Michael F. Schatz, the interim chair and professor at Georgia Tech's College of Science. Dr. Schatz began the lecture by listing a couple examples of everyday fluid dynamics. These include animals being able to walk on water, liquids mixing with one another, and sports balls moving through the air. He next discussed new ways to think about turbulence. He quoted Supreme Court Justice Potter Stewart, who said, quote, "I know it when I see it." Then Professor Schatz went on to talk about the history of turbulence, including the 1932 Nobel Prize winner Werner Heisenberg and Claude Louis Navier and George Gabriel Stokes, founders of the Navier-Stokes equation. I already knew the information Professor Schatz provided on Vincent van Gogh, which I'll discuss why in a bit. But I already knew that in 2006, physicists checked the correlation between Van Gogh's paintings and natural turbulence using Kolmogorov's model of turbulence, finding close resemblance. I also already knew about the interactions between some animals and water, that being that some insects can actually walk on water. This is due to a property of water called surface tension, which arises due to its high cohesive intermolecular forces. My interest in this public lecture is a bit of a stretch. Seeing the title, I immediately thought of Don McLean's song, Vincent, which talks about how the world could not understand Van Gogh's genius. His genius, of course, is depicted in his painting Starry Night, which closely demonstrates turbulence despite it not being able to be seen by the human eye. Professor Schatz mentioned a woman, Nicole Sharp, who has created a website dedicated to fluid dynamics. I visited her website to follow up. First, I learned a bit of biographical information about her. Her master's thesis discusses turbulence, while her PhD specializes in boundary layer stability. With this high level of qualification, she has given various talks about her work all around the world. With that, I am concluding my presentation. Thank you everyone for watching.